I'm James Smith. I'm from the DevOpsGuys, and I'm the dev guy in the room, but I'm also a Welshman, and that means I'm the guy that drinks all the booze and then hacks all the things. And that's pretty much how this idea came about. So we love web page test. Patrick Meenan's tool is pretty awesome, but it can be quite tough to test your application from around the globe. So what we decided to do is wrap a layer on top of it that makes that a little bit easier. So basically, worldwidepagetest.com gives you the ability to test your site and see that performance visually in graphical display. Yes, it's a Microsoft application. Yes, I'm on stage about to demo a Microsoft application, so if it goes wrong, yeah, I'm the guy that was dumb enough to do it. But it was built with a couple of cool things. So ASP.NET Signal R is Microsoft's attempt at real-time stuff in the browser. It uses WebSockets and falls back to other connections where it can't get a socket. It uses the Spark framework from the Gang of Four, who brought us some other great design patterns. And it uses a database access framework called Dapper, which is what Stack Overflow put together, which is awesome. Okay, enough of PowerPoint. Let's do a demo. Let's see if this works. Okay, so we've kept it pretty simple. I'm going to use a site we might all be familiar with, if I can spell it. Sorry, John. Okay, so we're using the APIs inside web page test, and essentially what we do is pull a list of all the online sites around the world, and we can filter those out by region or by browser. So if we want to run a test of our site globally in Chrome, simply just filter it out. We'll pick them all, fire the test off. Okay, so we've got our map. The big black dot over here is where it believes Etsy to be. And as the tests start to run, they should start to come in and draw some maps for us in the background, hopefully. There's my browser actually crashed. No. You might get a lot of time back if this doesn't work. Well, the API key, Patrick assured me, had plenty of credits, so hey, it was bound to go wrong in front of a live audience, and it has. Okay, let's fall back. Worst demo in the world ever.
Do you have a picture of the previous results?
Nope. Please tick down.
Oh wait, that's where you guys are.
Okay. So we've got a few glitches, unfortunately. Okay. Yeah. Essentially what we get when the map draws is a set of information from around the globe that matches the points out, and we'll draw the colored lines on the map. If you take this away and use it later, you get a top 10 averages of graphs, and you get a raw data feed as well that you can use to link into the main web page test.org. I think pretty much I'm going to call it quits right now. So thank you for the worst demo the Velocity's ever seen. I've been James Smith, and if you want to take a look at the code and get it working for me, it's at github.com.